Alright guys, Airsoft is over, and this is our stuff right here. Look at that. Ooh. Black heavy BBs. .25. I can't really looks focused. Dang.
I got so much reviews I want to do. Like crazy.
Oh no.
Review on this vest, review on the guns.
This is all BB. No, I'm just kidding. It's mud. There's some BBs on the floor. You see it? Little orange.
It's a crazy rainy day. Indeed it was.
We got camo BBs.
What's your lane?
High impact. Green BBs. More green. Vest. Guns. Clips. Clips.
This is an idiot, though.
M4. Don't know what the heck
Nah, but I
this
don't
part
think
is.
you're an
What the heck is this part?
It's a part of the shotgun that broke.
Oh, I broke, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry about the shotgun.
Please bad comment to this video and all the other videos. Bad comment is really good. I want to hear your comments, you bastards. Or you sick trolls. What are you looking at, man?
Alright. What do we do?
Maybe you can do some videos for me, Dominic? And put them up in my... Yeah?
Sure, give me your password and everything. Keep your account. Change your password to something else. I'm just playing.
Wait.